Are you looking for a budget-friendly quality photocopier? Yeely Copier would like to introduce you our high-quality, refurbished photocopier machine. These machines have been restored to a like-new condition through a thorough process of inspection, cleaning, repair, and replacement of worn or defective parts. This process needs to be conducted by certified technicians to ensure that the machine functions reliably and efficiently. Choosing a refurbished photocopier from Yeely Copier not only saves you money, but also supports sustainability by giving these machines a second life. Yeely Copier, quality you can trust, savings you can count on.